Run. I run every day in the morning. Walk. We walk past that pedestrian crossing every day. Jump. Jump up high and touch the sky. Swim. She can swim for 1 hour non-stop. Eat. When you eat a balanced diet, your body is happy. Drink. Peter likes to drink coffee when it's cold. Sleep. I have to sleep now. Good night. Talk. They talk to each other every day. Listen. I listen to music with my headphones when I am studying. Write. At what age did you learn to write? Read. It's important to read the newspaper every day, my dad always says. Dance. Can you dance like her? Sing. Would you like to sing with her? Play. Let's go and play some video games. Work. I work every day from 9 to 5. Study. He lives a balanced life. He knows when to study and when to play. Drive. In my country, we drive on the right side of the road. Fly. I wish I could fly like a bird. cook. I would love to cook for you one day. Clean. It's your responsibility to clean after your dog.